Gold started the week again on a bullish note. We have seen it hitting again fresh highs at 26, 31, 32 levels, while silver is trading flat and is struggling to break beyond 31, 20, 31 levels, which is definitely a critical resistance and support zone. What to expect today from gold and silver? Can we expect further highs, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session, and this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis every day. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. First, on the hourly charts, look at the formation here. If you track the movement of gold on the hourly charts, just connect the dips here, just connect the highs here. This is almost at the top of the channel here. First dip, then the highs, then the dip, then the highs. Now this is at the top of this channel. Possibility of a retracement exists. Where are the support levels? Towards 2580 levels, if at all it reverses. Right now it is not showing any signs of a reversal. It is still trading bullish. If you look at the hourly charts, what has happened here? See the 20 period moving average giving it a very good support. Every dip towards 20 period is followed with a rise here, and that is what is happening here as well. However, as we have connected, it is almost at the top of the channel here. Thus, this zone between 2630 and 2640 is going to remain critical for gold. As long as it struggles to stay beyond this zone, we have to be cautious here with the buys. Though if we buy here, we have to definitely be very much cautious till towards 2840 level, 2640 level. On the hourly charts, you can also see the drop, the retracement, and again the rise. A possibility of further highs exists if it continues to trade bullish from here. You can see this next. It is aiming towards 2640 levels. Let's see if it continues to stay above 2630. You can 32. You can buy there and expect it to keep moving towards 2636 and 2640, 41 levels. Stochastic rising. The MACD, if you look at on the hourly charts, it is at the top, and it is crossed over for the sell right now, trying to converge, but I can see there is lot much of white space on the downside, so possibility of a retracement exists from the current levels. RSI rising here as well. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here: rise, retracement, rise. There is a possibility of a retracement. Let's see when it tries to reverse. Only bearishness today is if you see it is staying below 2618 levels, where you can take a selling entry. If you see it is staying below 2618, the possibility will be high that we may see gold moving first towards 2610, then 2602, and if it breaks below 2602, it will be a very strong possibility for it to move towards 2590, 2580 levels very soon. Right now it is not showing any signs of retracement. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is still rising on the 2 hour charts. RSI is also overbought here, again entering into overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, if you look at, see bit of consolidation, one bullish candle, then a retracement, then first bullish candle. I will wait for the next candle. Once you see it is staying above 2632, initiate a buying entry there and expect it to keep moving towards 2636, 2640, 41. And once 2640, 41 is taken, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2652 and 2660 levels, the next stronger resistance for the day. Stochastic here is also overbought. MACD, after the crossover, it is still rising, looking upwards, trading bullish. RSI is rising as well. On the 4 hour charts, if the observation on the 4 hour charts is more or less same, and we can clearly notice the trading channel here. Be careful till towards 2640. Possibility of a reversal from those levels exists. Moving averages right now trading divergent and bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic definitely is an extremely overbought zone, and whenever it hits an overbought zone here on the 4 hour charts, chances of reversal increases, chances of retracement increases here. MACD, however, is looking upwards and trading bullish. RSI is again back to overbought zone. So yes, indicators are slightly overbought. We have to be definitely watchful and cautious in and around 2630, 2640 zone, which is going to remain critical for gold for the. Now, before we look into daily charts and I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at the daily charts, the movement is very clear. This is the first major dip, this is the second dip, and now it is looking upwards, trading bullish. Higher lows and higher highs are seen. uh, if it stays beyond 2632 today, more bullishness may prevail. Right now it is not showing any signs of reversal, but if you see gold trading below 2618, possibility is there because it is entering into an overbought zone, and the chances will be high that there could be a slight retracement. It can start to deliver flag, which means it can keep moving towards 2600 levels today. So this possibility we should not ignore, and that is why I am highlighting that as long as gold trades between 26 30 40 or it struggles to break beyond 26 30 40 today, we should be cautious here. Chances of reversal will increase here. Also, where it closes is going to be important. Where it closes the day, that is going to be of prime importance. Stochastic here is again an overbought. It can try to retrace. MACD is divergent. It is bullish looking upwards. RSI is overbought. So yes, there is still a scope for a rise, but I think it is getting into a slightly overbought zone on the lower time frames, and thus we have to be very cautious. But you can buy here at 2632 levels, expect 2636, 2640, 41. And if it breaks this, chances will be high that we will look forward to gold hitting 2650, 52 zone very soon, which is going to be the next stronger resistance. And any move beyond 2650, 52 is a clear sign for the week that we will look forward to 2670, 80 zone as well. Chances will increase if it breaks beyond 2650, 52. However, I think it is definitely going to find it difficult to break today 2630, 40 zone. And thus, if you see it is staying below 2620, 2618 levels, take a selling entry there. 2620, 2618 definitely is a good support for the day, below which you can expect it to keep moving towards 2612, 2610 first target, 2602, 2604 the second target. And if it breaks 260204, chances will be very high that we may see gold moving towards 2594 and 2588 levels, and below that 2580. But I think such a strong reversal appears to be difficult today as well. However, these are markets. When it is slightly overbought, chances are there that it can reverse. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the early chart. See, there is a clear struggle at 3120, and 3120 indeed was a very good resistance and is a good resistance again. While on the downside, you can also see there is clear support coming in at around 31 and 3080 levels. This zone between 3120 to 3080 is the zone where we have to exercise extra caution with respect to our any trading position in silver here. See, this 3120 definitely a critical resistance for the day. The stochastic rising. MACD is right now bearish on the hourly charts, and if you look at the RSI, this is almost running flat. On the 2-hour charts, if you look, see on the 2-hour charts, silver right now is seen taking support from the 20 period. Very important for it to come out of this zone. Right now also, if you look at 4 bearish candle, 1 swing candle, right now also it is forming a double top, and if it breaks this zone here at 3120, chances will be high that we can see a further rise, and any move beyond 3140, 50 is a sign that we will look forward to 3180 and $32 levels very soon. Also, the 20 period moving averages right now are providing very good support for silver. And if you look at the movement on the 2-hour charts, rise retracement, slight, see the bullishness here is getting diminished here, and this is a squeeze here till 3050. We have to be watchful. Till 3150 we have to be careful. So this zone between 3050 and 3150 is where we have to be watchful a bit. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is crossed over for sell, trading with slight divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3-hour charts, if you look, on the 3-hour charts also, the observation is same. Important thing is the support it is taking from the 20 period moving average, and the next most important thing is the resistance it is getting from the 3120 level. See this triple top here. It appears that 3120 is definitely going to remain a hurdle for the day. So if you see it is staying above 3120-30 zone, initiate a buying entry there. Expect it to move towards 3150, and in fact it can see what it is doing after the rise, consolidating its position, and once it breaks out beyond 3150, just stay bullish. 3180, $32 levels can be seen very soon. Though if you look at the formation, if you divide this into two, you will find that the possibility of a slight retracement cannot be denied from the current levels. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD again crossing over for sell. Slight bearish sign it is. RSI is staying flat. On the 4-hour charts also, the observation is same. What is happening? See, preceding candle is a swing candle. Hitting the highs again, it can reverse and it can come down to 30.90, $31 levels. Now this zone is also important on the downside. Till it stays between 3080 31, we have to be careful here with the sells as well. What has happened here? It has started on the highs. It can reverse again. It can trade bearish again, or and this candle might close in red. That is also very much possible. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD trading with slight divergence, and RSI is staying flat, not indicative of much bullishness or bearishness here. Coming to the daily charts on silver. So see, on the daily charts, look at the last two candles. Yes, these are bullish candles, but also you should notice that the bullishness is getting diminished here, and also these two candles are also, rather I will say, all the three candles are leaving a bigger wick on the upside, suggests that the prices are failing to stay bullish here. Right now I can say there is a slight downward push here, but if it breaks today beyond 31 20 30 zone, we can initiate a buying entry. We can expect 31 50 31 60 as the next target, and then we can in fact aim for 31 80 or 32. Yes, it can rise. Why? See, right now if you look at the moving averages have crossed over here, these are very much trading bullish. What has happened here? It has taken the support, though I look forward to a retracement, but right now we have to wait for it to give a breakout below 3080, which will confirm the reversal signs here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is rising, the RSI is flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver if you see it is staying above 31 20 31 30. And when I say 31 20 31 30, the lower price you have to check while buying. That should be above 31 20 31 30, and then you can initiate a buying entry for 31 56, 31 80, and then 32 32 32 40. And beyond this, sky is the limit for silver. It is lagging a bit. It can cover up fast, giving a stronger move. And on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 31 90 31 80 levels, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 31 50 31 40. First target $31 levels the next, and below 31 we are looking forward to a greater correction, which can in fact take the prices sharply down towards $30 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.